What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be getting into replacing my fuel system again. So I upgraded and did the 525 fuel pump. Also did the fuel return system. It turns out that now that it's cold outside and when I put my car on kill mode, like I'm maxing out the fuel pumps, I'm having really bad fuel cut. So what I did was I ordered the CJM twin pump setup for in the tank. So I'm about to replace that. So right here we got the dual hanger from CJM. That means that the hanger that I already have in the car with the CJM tap hat for the fuel return system, that's got to come out. That's probably going to be for sale. So I bought another fuel pump. Right now, currently in the car, I have a 525. Shit. And this bad boy right here is a 520 Walboro fuel pump. And then comes with all the wiring and pins and stuff that I'm gonna need to do. And then you're definitely gonna need a relay kit for the fuel pump. So anytime you're doing anything like electrical with your car, it's always recommended to disconnect your battery. So that's probably gonna be the first thing I'm gonna do, is disconnect the battery. Plus at that point it will let the pressure from the fuel pump drop. The car's been sitting now for like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours since I got home. And then I'm gonna take off the passenger seat. If you guys don't know, the fuel pump hanger is right behind the passenger seat. It's just so I can have some more space, and then I gotta route that cable all the way up to the battery. It already has a relay for the fuel pump that I have, so I just gotta take this off and then put a new one in there. Put an extra one in there because the new fuel pump. Well, I got the fuel pump out. Now I just gotta continue taking everything apart and start transferring everything over. But yeah, it's a good stopping point. This is the top hat from the other one for the fuel return system. So it's a primary 525 Hellcat pump, and then the 520 Walboro pump. So I just gotta wire up the second pump, plug everything back up, and that's it. But man, smelling like gas in here, oof, got me fucked up. Starting to give me a headache. So I found a good stopping point now after showing you guys that. It smells like gas way too much in here, so your boy kind of high, starting to get a headache. Tomorrow will be another day. About to go in, take a quick shower, and just chill for a little bit and look up how to wire all of that stuff and then put it back in the car. Definitely gonna hit up my tuner so he could send me a file, since I already got started with all this stuff, so I could start up the car, because it's definitely gonna run rich. So we will try to calibrate it as good as possible via e-tune, but it's recommended to get a tune again, so the car is definitely gonna go back on a dyno. And then we'll see what numbers it will actually put out now this time, because now I got I gotta build the rear end, the diff, and now I got twin pumps, so the car should make really good power. Hopefully it'll break into the 700s, but I'll be happy with like 680 or 690, somewhere around there. If it hits 700 on kill, that's cool. So the goal with this car is definitely just have a fun daily driver. You know, this thing still has AC. I still take it everywhere. I just want to keep building and enjoying my car. I'm not trying to be the fastest dude out there. Like I always say, you're just as fast, as deep as your pockets. So I'm definitely trying to just enjoy my car, take it out with my wife, you know, go to a couple track days, go to the mountains, and just enjoy this thing. So I've been boosted for a long time now, and I daily drive this car. What you gotta do to maintain your car, man, look at your gauges, pay attention to what the car is doing. Obviously do your freaking oil changes. There's people that don't do their oil changes and that be killing their motors like so fast. Another big thing is, don't get the freaking popping tunes. It looks cool, sounds great, blowing flames out your exhaust, you know, is like top notch, I guess, for some people as aesthetics, but that shit kills your motors so fast, especially on a turbo car. Why you think people that have two-step don't be using it that much? It's just like a few seconds and go and let go. Even with rolling anti-lag, it's the same shit. We back with a new day. Everything is on and wired. Filters on. Fuel level is on. Everything is tight. Now all I gotta do is install the kit for the. All I gotta do is put this back in the car and do the relay kit next. So I'll show you guys once I'm done with that. But everything is on, ready to rock and roll. So we made it out here to Soho. About to get the car retuned again after doing the fuel pump. Just filled it back up. We got the bro, Mr. Tuesday, coming to support today. Every time I come to my car, I always been by myself, and then the guy's here. So today I got a.
I'm the lucky fuck.
So I wonder how much you guys think the car's gonna make. You said that the car's gonna make what, like 670? I think 680.
No, 1700.
Shit. Wouldn't that be something? But yeah, she's about to go on a Dyno here in a second. Already signed all my paperwork, and let's see what she does, man. I'm excited for this one for sure. About to be sick. Man, this color just looks so good.
I think you're gonna break 7 today.
7?
Feels a little chilly. Yeah, that's 7.
That's 7 right there? That's 7? So he's about to start, bro. With the weather today and everything, the whole setup, I think we're gonna crack 700.
700 easy.
700 easy. So me and Mr. Sham Dad over here, I think we're gonna hit 700.
Oh,
It's about to be dope.
I'm not gonna hit 700.
Stop face tracking.
I'm not gonna hit 700. He's gonna hit 700.
We're gonna crack the 7s. It's gonna be dope. And it's cool because they're getting some media out the car too.
God.
She is dialed in, boys. That's sick. Nothing to hide here. It's crazy. This car's about to eat. That was back-to-back pulls too. It's a final graph. This motherfucker called it, bro. 670, bro.
I did it. I did it. Give me a fucking medal.
The car's stout, bro. This is sick.
It's nice. It's spicy. It's spicy like a spicy meatball.
Stupid. 670 gang. GTR, dead. B58, dead. S55, on a cold day, maybe dead.
Hurt. Not dead, but hurt.
But hurt. Alright.
VR30, dead.
VR30,
Dead.
done. What else? What else we can?
Any other VQ?
Done Daza, done.
Any other VQ? Dead.
Unless they got a real motor, but dead.
Ooh, what about RB26?
Ooh.
2JZ.
I don't know, if we're rocking the same horsepower, that's a good race. We're just fucking with you. You like to talk some shit. But yeah, man, the car came out fucking great. I can't wait to test drive it now. Take this bitch home. Sick. You look right at home. Sounds so good. Well, car's done. About to head out.
Later, eat it.
Yeah, that was spicy.
Map 3.
harder doing wood though.